Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a device that just refuses to quit, the Nvidia Shield TV. It's been over 6 years since Nvidia last released any new Shield hardware, which in the tech world is basically an eternity. Yet, here we are, talking about a brand new software update rolling out right now. It's pretty incredible when you think about it. So, what's in this new update? It's called Shield Experience 9.2. And while it's not a massive overhaul, it brings some really nice quality of life improvements that show Nvidia is still paying attention to its users. This update first started trickling out last week, but now it's hitting a wider audience, with users on Reddit and other forums confirming they're receiving it on their devices. The main focus here is on accessibility and bug fixes. Nvidia has added a new pairing alert sound. This is a small but helpful feature that will play a sound to let you know when you've successfully paired a Shield remote or a controller. It's a nice touch, especially for anyone who's ever fumbled around in the settings, wondering if the remote actually connected. They've also added some new accessibility options, including a feature called bounce keys and an accessibility key repeat function. While Nvidia didn't go into a ton of detail on bounce keys, these kinds of additions make the device more usable for people with disabilities, which is always a fantastic thing to see. Now, for a bug fix that a lot of you will be happy about, have you ever been watching something on Disney Plus and had the audio just suddenly drop out for a second? It's super annoying, right? Well, this update specifically targets and resolves that audio dropout issue. So, your movie nights watching the latest Marvel or Star Wars series should be a lot smoother from now on. But here's the most impressive part of this whole story. This update isn't just for the latest 2019 Shield TV and Shield TV Pro models. Nvidia has confirmed that Shield Experience 9.2 is rolling out to all Shield devices. People have already confirmed they've successfully installed it on the older 2017 model, and it's expected to reach the original 2015 version as well. Think about that for a second. A device that's nearly a decade old is still getting official software support and new features. That is almost unheard of in the consumer electronics space, especially for an Android-based streaming box. Compare that to other devices. Even Google's own Chromecast with Google TV sometimes goes months and months without a security patch, let alone a feature update. Nvidia's commitment to the Shield platform is truly in a class of its own. It's why so many people, myself included, still consider the Shield TV to be the king of Android streaming devices. Even in 2024, the hardware was so powerful and ahead of its time when it launched that it still holds up today. And this continuous software support just keeps adding value. It really makes you wonder what Nvidia's long-term plan is. Are they just going to keep updating this old hardware forever? Or is this continued support a sign that they're maybe, just maybe, gearing up for a new hardware release sometime in the future? We can only hope. For now, it's just great to see a company stand by its product for so long. So, if you're a Shield TV owner, go check your settings for an update. It should be rolling out to you soon, if it hasn't already. Let me know in the comments below if you've received the update and what you think of the changes. And if you're still rocking an old Shield, tell us which model you have. It's always cool to see how long these things last. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech news and reviews. I'll catch you in the next one.